Why do teachers act like school is fun? Like, bro, this ain't summer camp. You got us
doing algebra at 8 a.m.
while you sip coffee and pretend this isn't
psychological warfare.
I'm over here trying to figure out what X is, but the only thing my brain is calculating is how much time I'll have to play
Roblox and watch YouTube.
When I get home,
Then the teacher has the nerve to ask,
Who's excited to learn today?
and hits us with a
pop quiz.
with a smile on her face.
Like, ma'am,
What is wrong with you?
Don't even say,
it's only 5 questions.
that's just 5 chances for me to
Realize I'm
Completely cooked,
There's always that one kid in the front row.
bouncing out of his seat.
like it's Christmas morning.
Do you not have anything better to do than read books for fun? Worse is when the teacher starts walking around during the test, just hovering over my shoulder.
Sighing in disappointment,
Every time she looks at my paper.
miss,
Please sit down.
And let me
fail in peace.
The lessons get so boring I start staring at the clock, trying to
fast forward time with
Pure willpower.
It's genuinely like torture. Then when the bell finally rings, the teacher acts like she didn't hear it. Someone starts packing up
and she looks at them like they just
Committed a